In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ETrade account opening date. This is handy if you're completing paperwork, verifying account age for eligibility requirements, or just keeping accurate personal records. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. First, log into your account. Head to the official ETrade sign-in page and enter your credentials securely. Make sure you're on a trusted connection and that the web address looks correct before you continue. If your account uses additional security, complete that as prompted. Once you're signed in and on your main dashboard, you're ready for the next part. Next, navigate to the section where your personal and account settings live. Look for Profile or Account Preferences. This is typically found near your name or profile icon, often in the upper corner of the page or in a main menu labeled Profile or Account Preferences. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on interface updates, but the wording Profile and Account Preferences is what you want to focus on. Inside that area, locate Account Information. This is where ETrade displays key details tied to your account. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct account if you manage more than one, such as a brokerage and a retirement account. Many platforms show a drop-down or a toggle to switch between accounts, and the open date is specific to each one. Now look for a field labeled Open Date. That's the item that shows when the account was officially opened. It's usually presented as a clear date, often in a standard month, day, year format. Be careful not to confuse it with similar fields like Application Date, Approval Date, or Last Activity. The one you want is specifically named Open Date. If you see multiple lines of information, read them carefully. Account information can include balances, contact preferences, and other details, but open date should be called out on its own line. If the layout looks a little different on your screen, don't worry. Stay within profile or account preferences and scan for account information or similar wording like account details. Interfaces sometimes shift, but the open date remains in that informational section. Once you've found it, consider noting it in your records or taking a secure screenshot for future reference. And that's all there is to it. Log in, go to Profile or Account Preferences, open account information, and read the open date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find your ETrade account opening date.